TV. Quando mangiano Kiki TV. Banana better fantastic way. My family putting on a bowl. I'm around at the sword holding on a bowl. Music time. Let's a jungle pull it out. Let's pull it out. Mommy, can you help me? Put the eggs in. More time.
You forgot the vanilla.
Vanilla. Put the vanilla. Wash my hands. That's nice and clean. Mash a banana fork. Banana and
I'm helping her out because the bowl's a bit heavy.
I want to do that. I want to do that. I want to do me.
Want to mix it together?
Yes. What a mix. Wow.
Get your electric mixer.
It's all the door. No. Oh. Yeah. The flower, the music, a moon. Ooh. Bit noisy. And a bit noisy.
Perfect.
Yeah, I a bit noisy. Mess. We can pull it. Music. Okay. Put the button, the pan.
Mama's gonna help with this one. Big bowl.
I want to do it.
Okay, come. Put your hand on it. Hold it. You holding the bowl for me?
Yes,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
Now we used whole wheat all-purpose flour. It just says to use unbleached flour, but all I have is whole wheat, so hopefully it still comes out pretty nice. Scrape your bowl good. Make sure you have nothing left.
It's not half mess. Very good.
I'm just flattening it out, evening it out with the spatula, and it's good.
Put it in the oven.
With parents' assistance. Bake at 350 degrees. Recipe in description box. I don't know why it didn't rise, but